Hi guys, here we are at the Dollar Tree, and I thought we'd look at their books before I leave. Okay, so along the top over there, I can't reach, you have the Bible Fun Activity Coloring Kit. So that's probably not in the right spot. But anyway, these books right here with the little card envelope, I'm really liking those. So they have quite a bit of those. Then they have He Who Plants a Tree Plants Hope. Let me see, the chicken soup books are giving thanks and life lessons from the dog. And here, guys, is the Bible. So if we come over here, I guess she has them, they're all the same. So this one here is called the Rose Hotel. That seems new. This one isn't. The Old School. That one isn't. Okay. Pendulum. Okay. The Gold Standard. The Sugar Book. Let me see, Esther the Wonder Pig. The Slated Worlds. All That Followed. Okay. These were all kind of mixed in. All right, and then you have Still Fooling 'Em. Then that one is Playing Hurt. My Journey from Despair to Hope. The Great Night. Esther the Wonder Pig. The Slated Worlds. Okay. Nordic Walking. Quick and Easy Bites. Simply Sweets. Okay, let's see. Yeah. That one says Metal Clay. American Underwood. Simply Sweets. Man of the Year. Playing Hurt. I just showed you that one. The Pendulum. God Made Animals. Let's see, Billy Crystal. Oh, I did show you that. Okay, let's see what else. So we have the Moons. Barsk. Revenge of the Nerd. Okay, let's see. What is that one? American Underdog. Okay, the Man of the Year. Did I show you that one? That's what it looks like. And then they don't have very much down here today. This one's called Birds. And these are kids. I think these are kids. It's a 3-pack. They're activity books. And that's what they have here. I have some crayons along the edge. Usually near the books you'll have the word finds. So you have it in the large print. Okay, then Sudoku. And look, they have the adult coloring books. Mickey Mouse. So some of them are crossword puzzles. Some of them are adult coloring books. Biblical designs. That's nice. Sacred art. Draw pets. You even have henna. Okay, then they have the little, let me see, Hansel and Gretel. What is that? The little Bendon books. The Ugly Duckling, Jack and the Beanstalk. Okay, so they have some Bible stories and they have some bedtime stories. They have some coloring books, usually right next to the books. Activity books. Okay, guys, so thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to look at their books and more. And I'll see you in the next video.